Hi everyone, welcome to Mrs. Lynn's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make banh mi. It is Vietnamese style sandwich. The difference between Western and Vietnamese style sandwich is the ingredients that go into it. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Vietnamese sausage to make this sandwich. So let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. There are so many different varieties of fillings that can go into the Vietnamese sandwich. And for my version, I'll use Vietnamese pork meatloaf, also known as Vietnamese pork sausage or pork sausage roll. There are also many types of pork meatloaf, so feel free to try them out and find your favorites. Here, I have two different types. The one in the green wrap is the regular pork meatloaf, and the one in the foil wrap has pork skin in it. Vietnamese pork meatloaves are sold at most Asian and Vietnamese supermarkets. You can find them at Lee's Sandwiches stores too. In this recipe, I also use pickled radish and carrot, which I made at home. You can find the link to my homemade pickled radish and carrot in the description box below. Let's prepare the ingredients now. Today, I'll use the regular pork sausage to make the sandwich. Cut the sausage about 1/4 inch thick. You really can cut them into any shape that you like, but make sure the pieces will fit the baguette you use. Take your baguette and cut it in half lengthwise. This is the gluten-free baguette. I have two types of cucumber here. On the left of your screen is the Japanese or Persian cucumber, and on the right is Kirby cucumber. With the Kirby cucumber, I like to peel the skin because it's quite thick. Thinly slice the cucumber lengthwise, about 1/8 inch thick. In a clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of water. We will use this sauce mixtures to cook the Vietnamese sausage. Add some oil to a pan. You don't need too much oil, just enough so the sausage won't stick. Turn the heat on medium and fry the sausage. If your pan doesn't have enough space like mine, divide the sausage and sauce into 2 batches. Flip the sausage when one side is slightly brown. Next, drizzle some of the sauce on the top and continue to fry until the sauce is completely absorbed. Take the sausage out when both sides are golden brown. Toast the baguette so outside is slightly crunchy. To assemble the sandwich, first mix some mayonnaise and sriracha together. Adjust the sriracha to your spiciness tolerance. Spread a thin layer of the mayonnaise sriracha mixture on the baguette. Add a few slices of sausage on top and cucumber. Layer on some pickled daikon and carrot. Add the cilantro next. You can leave them out if you don't like cilantro. Lastly, place the top of your baguette and secure the sandwich with some wooden sticks or skewers. Make sure all the layers of fillings are placed evenly on the entire baguette. You want to be able to taste all the ingredients within every bite. If you want to take the sandwich on the go, you can assemble it on the piece of aluminum foil. Layer the baguette, sausage, cucumber, pickled daikon and carrot, and the cilantro. Instead of mayonnaise and sriracha, you can drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle some salt and pepper. Wrap the foil around the sandwich and you can take it with you for lunch or on the picnic. Here are my two versions of banh mi. You can always prepare the sausage and pickled carrots and daikon ahead of the time. As long as you have other ingredients available, assembling this sandwich is quick and easy. I hope you like this video. If you like this recipe, please let me know by clicking that like button down below. Please share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy eating!